guys. Today we're going to be talking about how to solve elapsed time word problems with hours and minutes. Last time we just talked about hours. Today we're going to get a little bit deeper, and I'm going to show you how to work with hours and minutes. So we've got our first practice problem. It says Danielle started reading her book at 3:23 p.m. and read for 36 minutes. What time did Danielle stop reading? So just like we did last time, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And again, when you're doing it on your own, you don't have to do this. This just makes it easier for me. And I'm going to click on this online number line. If you would rather do yours on paper, that's perfectly fine. Let that come up. Let's see here. I'm going to open the web app. And remember, like we talked about last time, I like to use the one with no numbers and the widest sections to get me started. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and add my text box and paste my word problem in here. So if she started reading her book at 3:23 p.m., that would be our start time. So I'm going to type that in. Make it green since it's our start time, and drag that down here. Okay, it says she read for 36 minutes. That's our change in time. I don't know if you've noticed this yet, but our start and our end time are going to be an actual time, like a time you could see in a clock. Elapsed time, or the change in time, is a number of hours or number of minutes or a combination of both. So that might help you figure out the parts of the elapsed time word problem. So our change in time is going to be 36 minutes. And our question is, what time did Danielle stop reading? So we don't know our end time yet. So I'm just going to put question mark. I'm just going to drag that over here. And we can move it later if we need to. Just a second, guys. Okay. So last time we only had to make jumps of 1 hour. So today I'm going to show you how we can make jumps of minutes. So if she read for 36 minutes, what I like to do is if I can break it up into tens, that makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to use our little jump. And this time, instead of making a jump of 1 hour, I'm going to make it for 10 minutes. There we go. So if it was 3:23, if I add 10 minutes, that's going to make it 3:33. So I'll make a new text box here. And that'll be right here. So I've gone 10 minutes now. All right, so I need to do that again. So I'm going to make another hop, make it 10 minutes. And so now my new time, 3:33, again, just add 10 minutes. Now it's going to be 3:43 p.m. Drag that down here. So I've gone 20 minutes now, 10, 20. So now I need to do another hop to make it 30. Oop, that's not what we want. Oh, sorry guys. Let's see if I can. There we go. So another 10 minutes. 3:43, again, add 10 minutes. That'll make it 3:53. So now after I've jumped 30 minutes, so 10, 20, 30, I can't jump another 10 because that will put me to 40 minutes. And that's past my 36 minutes for my elapsed time. So what I'm going to do is I'm at 3:53. I'm just going to add 6 minutes this time. So I'm going to make another hop, but this time I'm going to label it 6 minutes. And if it makes more sense for you to add, maybe 5 minutes and then 1 more minute, that's perfectly fine. You can do it that way too. So 6 minutes. So this time I'm going to look at 53. So 3 plus 6 more minutes would be 3:59. So that is going to be my end time. So get rid of this. Go ahead and make this red to show that's my end time. So my question is, what time did Danielle stop reading? She stopped reading at 3:59 p.m. So I'm going to type that in. And that is how you can use minutes to determine elapsed time.